recording on the weekly workshops YouTube channel. If you can't find it, just go to the chat. The YouTube channel is pinned to the chat. You can access it anytime, and we will add the video there. Um, as usual, everyone on this call is muted. If you have any question, please raise your hand. I will allow you to unmute yourself and post your question. No hands risen so far, so we will keep this call open till 11:30. Mahipal, good morning. Can you please unmute yourself?
Uh, Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, so I have one question regarding the splitting of batches. Okay, so can you please confirm how many codes we can post in EPCS file, or like how many IDs we have to post in EPCS file?
You can put as many batches as you want, as many serial numbers up to 50,000 records
Say,
or 50,000
okay.
item serial numbers. But when it comes to batches,
Hmm?
you do not need to limit yourself to one batch per EPCIS file. The only restriction here is one shipping permit, one SHP number per EPCIS file. That's it.
Okay, so you mean to say like 50,000 code we can post in an EPCS file,
Yes, 50,000 records. Yes,
1,000 records.
yes. So if it's 50,000, if you're doing commissioning separate, so 50,000 commissioning. If you're doing packing separate, it's 50,000. The limit here is the file size. It's not which we translated into 50,000. Okay.
Uh, okay, the just an example, like if my batch size is around 25,000, so I will post 25,000 commissioning event, then it will start aggregation event and then shipping event. So the combined code IDs are 50,000, or like commissioning event
Combined, yes. Combined,
combined is 50.
combined, they shouldn't be more than 50,000. Okay. You need to
Okay,
split them. You need to split them into separate messages.
okay, thank
You
you.
need to
That's
split
the
the EPCS file into separate files
okay.
and
If
submit them.
if there are more than 50,000 IDs available in that EPCS file, then we have to split it, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, that's the doubt.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Ijaz, Ijaz, can you please unmute yourself? Ijaz Rahman, can you please unmute yourself?
Okay, so can you hear me?
Yes, we hear you now.
Meeting is started.
Yes, it started at 11. Yes.
Sir, I was in the meeting, but I myself was unmuted, so I was not able to attend the class.
Yes. So we start at 11. Usually we start at 5 past 11. So to allow everyone to join. And anyone who has a question, would just raise his hand or her hand, and I will allow you to unmute yourself. But everyone on this call is muted. Ijaz, do you have any question?
Sir, I have a question. I'm from medical center. So how it is been implemented in the medical center as a uh, uh, listing the medicines and label?
Okay. Medical center, do you use conventional or biological medicines in your center?
We use injections and painkillers,
Okay.
antibiotics.
Then you will have to register to Tatmeen. Please go to tatmeen.ae, go to onboarding journey. There are 4 short videos that you can attend there. Those
Uh,
short videos would explain to you your role and what you need to do to register to Tatmeen.
okay. Okay. So that is my part.
You need to watch those videos and understand your part. But your journey on Tatmeen is um, requires you to register, obtain a GLN, create usernames on Tatmeen, and start receiving the medicines that your suppliers are sending to you on Tatmeen. You need to report to Tatmeen receiving, unpacking, and when you are selling any medicine to dispense it on Tatmeen. Please go through the videos. They will explain to you everything.
Okay. Actually, we already have a GS1 license. How it is related to Tatmeen? GS1.
GS1 license is different. GS1 license is the first step, but you will not be able to register on Tatmeen if you do not have a GLN. Once you obtain the GLN, you should be receiving an email from Tatmeen saying this is your registration link. Please click on it and register. If you haven't received that link, or if you received it and missed it somehow, please send us an email to onboarding@tatmeen.ae and we will re-trigger another link for you because the validity of that link is only 2 days. So we will trigger another email, then you will be able to register to Tatmeen. Again, this is all explained to you in those videos.
Okay. Onboarding at Tatmeen.in.
Yes, but please watch the videos first to understand your role.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, okay, John. Thank you.
Shall I leave the meeting? Shall I leave?
Yeah, of course. This is optional meeting. I'm planning to leave this call open until 11:30. If we do not receive any further questions, then we can close it. Usually the call is 2 hours, but if we are not receiving questions until 11:30 for the first 30 minutes, we will close the call.
Okay.
Okay, okay, John. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Um, Balakrishan, can you please unmute yourself?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we do hear you. Yes.
Okay, okay. I'm from System Integrator side. Okay, I have a requirement. Can we do all the operations, for example, receiving, packing, unpacking, everything through APIs?
Yes. Did you go through the documentation? Uh,
Yes, I saw the
it's all explained there.
documentation.
It's all explained there.
Okay, so using the document, we can do it. We can get the complete details of all the fields. So there is no need of your help, correct?
Yeah, it's all in the documents. You said you saw them, right? It's all there.
Yes,
All
correct.
the APIs there. All the Postman collections are there
Okay. So
on
all the activities,
tatmeen.ae.
yes, all the activities are possible. I just want confirmation. That's it, sir.
Check the activities that you need and then make sure
Okay.
that they are there. If not all the activities are there. For example, we do not display the hierarchy via API. We just provide product verification via API. Check them and check
Okay.
what exactly you need. And
Okay.
yeah, almost everything is there. Yes.
Okay. Great. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Let me go through it once more again. If I have any questions, let me ask you the second time.
Sure.
I
No
mean,
problem.
maybe next time. Okay. Thank you.
Sure. No problem. No problem. Okay, so I think we don't have any further questions. Uh, Again, we will post this recording of this call to the YouTube channel. Please, if you need to refer to it, please, you can find it on the chat of this meeting. You can access it anytime and watch the video. If you have any further questions, also please reach out to us to onboarding@tatmeen.ae. And okay, uh, Niyas, you have a question? Can you please unmute yourself?
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, actually, we are from a developing company, so we are integrating the Tatmeen for us for
Okay.
one of our client in Dubai. So actually, the thing is that we are going with that postman collection. So
Okay.
so we whether we will avail some dummy data for testing purpose, like
No,
this.
unfortunately, for testing, the testing or staging environment, the pre-production environment that we have is meant to be a replica of the production environment, and we didn't want to put any testing data. So if you want any testing data, please ask your customer, if your customer is a licensed agent, to reach out
Okay.
to the MAH and ask the MAH to commission testing data and send it to you on the pre-prod.
Okay.
We do not offer that. So please ask any of the MAHs to commission data and send it to you, and then you can test receiving, unpacking, dispensing, any of your activities. But it's not something that we provide as testing data. Your customers need to provide you with that testing data. Your suppliers, I mean, they need to provide you with testing data.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. Okay. As mentioned, we will post the recording on the YouTube channel. Please refer to it. If you have any question, reach out to us at onboarding@tatmeen.ae. Wishing you everyone a nice day ahead, and see you next week. Have a great day. Thank you, everyone.